Hi. Who are those two little critters in the corner?
Go and play with the children if you like. I am so proud of them.
What happened to you since the first game?
It's a long story.
That's fine. I've got time.
Okie dokie. All started when Swampling was captured by circus. They took me to Freakton and kept me behind bars. People would come and laugh at me. They'd call me ugly and horrible. I hate it so much I ran away to seek fortune. On the way, met beautiful Swampette. We came here and made quick swamp food to get money. Swamp food, big hit round here. Then Mento go for mostly and changed his recipe and all. Grand Swampling turned him grave if he knew. And here is Swampling now. I don't even cook no more. Just do paperwork. Me and whole family live in here.
And I thought my life was dull.
I work now. Feel free to look around. Go see children if like.
Here you are. Didn't your mother ever tell you not to take sweets from strangers?